YouTube, what's good with you? It's your boy Larry's the Kicks coming back with just another video. Hey, I'm back, and I'm back with another banger, y'all. This one is something y'all want to see. Only 7,000 pair were made of this shoe. Y'all already know I gotta keep getting them. Remember, give me some likes on this video, and I promise you it's gonna be a short and sweet one, but you're gonna get some on feet on. Alright, I'm back, y'all. Hey, let's go ahead and get this video to give me 8. Give me 8 likes. It don't matter. Just give me 8 likes. But I'm letting y'all know, it's right here. This some heat, y'all. This some heat. This ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Are y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Yeah, I saw it. The Chinese New Year. Asia exclusive. And I got a pair right here, y'all. And I got a pair right here, y'all. Hey, I got a pair right here, y'all. Hey, your boy Larry's the Kicks got a pair of the Chinese New Year's, baby. Air Max 1s. Let's get into this review. Alright. Let y'all see this while I open it. Y'all seeing this? They coming nasty with it this year, y'all. Nasty. Ooh, they came nasty with it. Look at that paper. Look at that paper. They came nasty with it, y'all. Hey, another top 5. Just saying. For sure, another top 5. We don't need that box. All we need is these right here. Bah! Hey, Air Max 1, Chinese New Year, Year of the Rat. Y'all see them. I love shoes with a lot of color and a lot of meaning to it. This shoe means a lot to me because my wife is Taiwanese. The shoe means a lot to me. Y'all already remember last year me getting Air Max 98s Chinese New Year's. So y'all know I had to come and get these, even though they was exclusive. Didn't mean nothing to me. It was a must that I had this shoe in hand to give you guys a review. So let's get into this review. Now, outsole, icy blue translucent. Y'all see that? Yes, I have worn them already. I'm pretty sure y'all seen them in a video already of the Hypebeast Con, brought to you by Hypebeast KC. Man, this shoe is so vibrant, y'all. So many colors, so much going on in this shoe, and I love it. It's so nice. It's so nice. Like I was saying, come to the midsole, they gave it an all black midsole. Come up to the upper of the shoe, you have this patent leather with steps of Chinese. It goes all the way around the shoe, y'all. It goes all around the shoe. The patent leather, it's nice. Come to this toe box. Y'all see that? Y'all see the toe box? I thought when I first saw pictures of this shoe, those were clouds. Y'all, this is jean material. So that jean material, they went ahead and put some some hits of white in it. They went ahead and bleached it, y'all. And this jean material goes throughout the whole shoe, y'all. I was looking at it, and behind the plastic or patent leather, whatever you want to call this, you can see the jean material in there. You know what I'm saying? I can see it. It's crazy, y'all, the details on this. The jean material actually goes up to the tongue of the shoe. See that tongue? And then it has that Nike patch, and then around that Nike it has those different colors going all around it too. Come up to the upper, they give you this, I would say, like a infrared Nike sign, and on that background it's that blue, and it's a dragon, y'all. You can see the details in that dragon. It's crazy. It's real crazy. It's nice. I'm not sure what kind of laces these are, wax or whatever, but it's some pretty nice laces. Take it around to the booty of the shoe. You see the booty of the shoe? You like that? Y'all see the booty of the shoe has that flower. I'm not sure what this is. The patterns just on here is just crazy. The flowers, the butterflies, and the Chinese writing. It's all nice. Y'all look at that. See them flowers, them butterflies. The shoe is crazy, y'all. Like, when I first saw the shoe online saying it was gonna release, I told my wife, you know I gotta get that, right? And then they start saying it was gonna be real limited. Then they said, oh, it's only gonna be Asia exclusive. Looked at my wife like, hey, you know I'm still getting it, right? Man, I had to, y'all. It was a must. Show you this insole. That's the insole. It's the same colors that's on the tongue at the top. Same colors and pattern. But yeah, y'all, I was so excited when I got the shoe. It was a must cop, and I'm glad I got them, just to be able to say that I have a very exclusive shoe that I really like. Some of y'all be like, oh, I got the exclusive J's. No, I have an exclusive Air Max 1. One of my favorite Air Maxes. Air Max 1 Chinese New Year. Exclusive. Let's do a little comparison. Let's see. This is 2019. This is 2020s. To me, they both are fire. Both are fire. This one has that hair on it and everything, you know, the snake skin or whatever that is, the flowers, the lady in the background, you know, the hits of red and green and jade, you know what I'm saying, all that. And that pull tab, like, I love the pull tab, has different colors. Like, very nice shoe. The gold in this makes it hit a lot. And it's a very nice shoe, being very vibrant on an Air Max 1. They couldn't have did any better with this Chinese New Year. I think this Air Max 1 was a must silhouette for them to put it on, because I think it would have been doing too much on something like this or something like a Air Max 90 or something like that. I feel like this was the best shoe to do it on. And man, this is crazy. It's a very nice shoe. I love shoes with vibrant colors, y'all. If y'all don't see that, you know what I'm saying? I love shoes with vibrant colors. I like that vibrant Nike sign that they put on the front. That's a nice hit. I'm gonna do an on foot for you guys with these, and that's all we're gonna have for you today. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay on your grind and don't let nobody tell you can't shine. It's your boy Laser Kicks, and I'm signing out. Not these. Peace.
always say, and always say, let's get this money, man. Let's get this money, this money, this money, this money, this money, this money, this money. It's like I get paid $1 million when I come to this bitch, man. So I don't miss no days, cause if I miss a day, I miss $1 million. That's what my mindset is.
Yeah, now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. If I should die,